is a female grasshopper. You can tell because it has an ovipositor on the end, and this allows it to dig into the ground and lay its eggs. And inside here we have our reproductive organs, which it has an ovary, an oviduct, a vagina, a seminal receptacle, and an accessory gland.
Grasshoppers are arthropods. They have 6 jointed appendages. These are some of the joints on the legs. These are the big jumping legs, and on the tibia of the jumping leg it has spines or hooks that are used to grab onto vegetation when the grasshopper jumps so it doesn't fall and die. Then on each side of the grasshopper it has 2 wings. The bigger wing covers the smaller wing. The smaller wing is used to flap and make the grasshopper fly. And there are 3 segments to the body: the head, thorax, and the abdomen. Grasshoppers have an exoskeleton made out of chitin, which hardens after it molts its previous exoskeleton. Now we're going to take the grasshopper apart. When taking it apart, it's important to twist off the appendages so you don't ruin any internal organs. So you can start doing that. Just kind of whipped off. Alright, and then same with the wings. Make sure you twist and pull, not yank. There you go. So now we're going to cut open the grasshopper. You got to make sure you keep your blade level with your scissors and cut posterior to anterior on the dorsal side. And if you don't keep your scissors level, it could damage interior organs, internal. Gosh, I'm scared. It's important to take your time so you know you're not going to ruin it.
Mouth, it takes in the food. The crop holds food in. The stomach digests food. The metabolic waste filters out the Malpighian tubes, and the anus takes food out once digested.
Grasshopper's nervous system is controlled by ganglia. These ganglia are located in each segment as well as a more confined segment within the head, which forms a really primitive brain. The neuropile located in the center of the body through which all sensory organs are regulated and told what to do. These sensory neurons are found near the exterior of the body and consist of tiny hairs which calibrate to respond to a certain stimuli. Grasshoppers have an open circulatory system with most of the body fluid consisting of hemolymph. The one closed organ, which is the dorsal vessel, extends from the head to the thorax to the hind end. Respiration is formed using the trachea, which are air-filled tubes which open at the surface of the thorax and abdomen through pairs of spiracles. The spiracle valves only open to allow oxygen and carbon dioxide exchange. Tracheals found at the end of tracheal tubes are insinuated between cells and carry oxygen through the body.
Another part of the reproductive system is an ovary, which is this thing.